Hey guys, so I'll be talking about my 10 my 10 tasks on how to edit a video and then how to put those into a Kanban board to keep track of everything. The top 10 tasks I could think of to use will be planning, shooting, organizing, editing, trimming the video, adding titles, adding special effects, mixing the audio, watching the video like a rough draft, and then making final adjustments, and then finally publishing the video. So you would start off with Kanban board. You have a to-do list, in process, and then finished or done section. So what you do is you put all of these 10 tasks in the to-do list. As you go through them, so say planning, I go through, plan out what I'm going to be doing, stuff like that. I'm going to move that over to the in process section, which means I'm doing it right then. I'd go through, make sure all my planning's done, make sure I figure out what I'm going to do. Then once I'm done planning, I can move it over to the done or finished section. Once I do that, I go back over to my to-do list and see what I need to do next. My next thing would be shooting the video, so I'd move it over to in process. This would mean that I'm out shooting the video, taking pictures, multiple videos possibly, and then once I get back, I would move it over to the done. This just helps me keep track of what I've done so far, what still needs to be done, what I was in the middle of, or if I possibly walked away and came back. Or if I brought an extra person onto the project, it would let them know what all has been done, what's in the process of being done, and what still needs to be done for the project to be completed. Doing it this way would help keep track of, instead of two people doing the work of the same project, say you go to the editing video portion of it. If I've already completed it, and I didn't have a Kanban board or something similar set up, and I brought somebody else on the project, they wouldn't know I already completed it. So this would make them go back, oh, hey, the video still needs to be completed. And then they go through and edit it themselves. Then we have two completely different edited videos. Doing this just causes people to have more work, no matter what project you're doing. A Kanban board can be very beneficial because it keeps track of what needs to be done, what's being done, and what has been done. So this makes it to where you're less likely to double up on certain parts of the project, taking resources away from something that could have been done during that time that the person is just going back and doing your work again. So those are my 10 tasks I would use to create a video, and how I would put those 10 tasks into a Kanban board to make my work the most efficient as possible as I could. Thank you.